Most people get this wrong. What is 40 divided by 4? 8 times 4. Try it before I solve it. Let's see where the mistake happens. If you got act, your answer is wrong. Because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. We code the order of operations as PEMDAS. First, division and multiplication are performed from left to right. Then, addition and subtraction are performed. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. 8 times 4 equals 32. Now let's do subtraction. 10 minus 32 equals negative 22. The answer is negative 22. We did both the incorrect and the correct solution together. And we learned the rule. I hope you understand. Solve the next problem and write your answer in the comments.